Your Business Intelligence Vision module transforms the way you can monitor your business insights, ensuring it's an easy and visual process. The Customer section within your Vision module gives you a dynamic view of what, when, and how your customers are buying from you using historical data within your Unleashed account. From your Unleashed dashboard, click the Explore More button under the Customer tile. Alternatively, you can select Business Intelligence and navigate to customers from your sidebar. Then select the Vision tab. From here, we can explore our total customers, new customers, active customers, and look at average number of customer orders, as well as the revenue and profit our customers are generating. Your Vision module enables you to customize your date ranges to view this data across different time periods. To change the date, click in the calendar and then click Apply. Now, let's explore some of the data. Choose the tile you wish to explore. For this example, let's look at our active customers KPI. With just one click, I can see clearly where my active customers are located, their value over time, their customer type, and which product groups are most popular, as well as other metrics. You can drill further into this data by clicking into the specific section you want more detail on. For example, clicking into our products graph shows us exactly what products our active customers are buying. Using this data, you can easily answer important questions, such as how many customers have been active this month, and is this increasing with time? Which channel, region, or product drives the most or least sales? All of which can help you make better business decisions. Thank you for watching.